13. 13 minus 5 is equals to 8. Then 1 minus 7 is again not possible, so we need to borrow from that. Then 10 minus 8 is equals to 2, and 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. Question number 16. 1,23,405 minus 69,547. So again we'll write it according to the place values, according to the minuend and subtrahend, arrange them and subtract them. So we got the answer 53,858. Question number 17. Subtract 9,999 from 10,000. Very simple. We have to subtract this from this. So this will be the minuend and this will be the subtrahend. Write down the minuend first and then the subtrahend. 10 minus 9 is 1. How I have got this 10? From borrowing this. But this was already 0, so again I have borrowed from this. This was also 0, again borrowed, again 0, and then borrowed from 1. So this becomes 0, this will become 10. Now it will lend it to the next number, so become 9. Then again it will lend it to the next number, so become 9. Then this 10 again it will lend to the another number, so this will become 9, and there is no number to be given, so now it will be 10 only. So 10 minus 9 is 1, 9 minus 9 is equals to 0, 9 minus 9 is equals to 0, 9 minus 9 is equals to 0, and 0 minus 0 is equals to 0. Therefore our answer is 1. So when we subtract 9,999 from 10,000, it will become 1. That is 1,14,384, and therefore our answer is 8,686. Question number 24. Subtract 1,95,875 from the sum of 1,38,674 and 96,578. Now here the minuend will be the sum of these two numbers and the subtrahend will be this number. Now first step is find out the sum of these numbers, and the sum is 2,35,252. Now second step, we'll subtract this number from the sum of these two numbers. So first write down the sum, which will be the minuend, and then write down the number which is to be subtracted and subtract it. So here we got the answer 39,376. 34 multiplied by 1 lakh, and here now 16 lakhs and 19,000. So we need to find out their sum. 16 multiplied by 1 lakh plus 19 multiplied by 1000. It will become 16 lakh 19,000. So now we'll subtract it from 34 lakhs. So while subtracting, we got the answer, that is 17 lakh 81,000. Question number 26. What number is 2,897 less than 16,000? First we need to understand the question that what number is less than 16,000. That means the number should be less than 16,000, and by how much? 2,897. So which will be the minuend? 16,000, and the subtrahend will be 2,897. We'll subtract it by following the rules, and then we got the difference, that is 13,103. Therefore 13,103 is less than 16,000. Yes, it is less than, and by how much? By 2,897. Question number 27. What number should be added to 37,654 to get 1 lakh? Now there is a number. When we add that number to 37,654, the sum will be 1 lakh. How can we find out that? If we need to add it, so it will be definitely less than this number. And how much less? 37,654. So we will subtract them. So minuend will be 1 lakh and subtrahend will be 37,654. So after subtracting, we got 62,346. So the required number is 62,346. We can check our answer by adding them, and therefore our answer is correct. Question number 28. What number should be subtracted from 22,222 to get 9,999? Now again, some number is to be subtracted from 22,222 to get 9,999. It is a smaller number and it is the larger number. So there is a number which need to be subtracted from this number. So how can we find out? By subtracting them. So minuend minus subtrahend. 22,222 minus 9,999. After subtracting, we got 12,223. Therefore, 22,222 minus 12,223 will be 9,999. We can check our answer by subtracting it here. As we can see, we got 9,999 after subtracting it.